Okay. I can't talk too loudly, but I'm currently trying to hike my way up a mountain. And I have to sneak through this area. This is actually a rifle range, but currently they're closed, so I don't really have to worry about getting shot. But there's houses over there, and I'm not really supposed to be here. So I'm gonna keep it down. I've got quite a journey ahead here. This is quite the mission. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'll keep updating my way. Yeah. Okay. Quick update. I just made it across a little stream. Terrain's starting to get a bit more steep. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on. Okay, I'm just taking a quick break here. Holy fuck. Got some houses over there. But it seems pretty quiet, so I think I'm chilling. Got my Coke. Yeah, this is fun. I need to do this more. So I go way up there, and the terrain's only gonna get worse. Like, I already slipped on this rock here. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Can't wait to see the view. Oh look, there's a trail. Hell yeah. Should I go this way or that way? Ooh. Damn, we got a whole trail system. I thought I was gonna have to bushwhack the whole way. Oh, this is nice. Oh, sweet, dude. Oh man, this is gonna be so slippery. Oh. Okay, hopefully I don't eat shit. Everything is so fucking wet. My pants are soaked. Ooh yeah, starting to get higher up here. Okay. Oh boy. Damn, I'm gonna probably have to go up that. Oh. I'm guessing these are deer trails because I mean, I bet people have gone up here before, but it was really hard to get in here in the first place. I had to trespass through a gun range. And then there's like a creek you have to get over. But there is signs that people have been here. Like I found a tree house and a bunch of wheels. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to go up here. I'll probably just film as much as I can. And if I feel like I'm gonna slip, I'm gonna stop filming. So I don't throw my phone if I slip. Ow, fuck. I'm so excited to see the view at the top of this mountain, dude. Unfortunately, I don't have any food or anything with me. I just got water and a Coke. but I did eat a bit. I had toast. Okay, well, we made it this far. So far, we're doing pretty well. Oh, some birds. Damn. I'm honestly contemplating just cutting through the construction site on the way back, but like, I don't really want it because they're blasting there. So, but it doesn't seem very active right now. I think they're not working, even though it's Friday. But I walked by it and it looked really quiet. Okay, I'm pausing this. Okay, I think I'm like at the top. There's a bald eagle. He's chilling on a tree. It's the homie. Just took a break. I think I'm at the top. I don't know. I don't think I'm at the actual part that you can see, because like I can't see anything. I'm gonna have to check maps. But it's a bald eagle up there. Alright, I'm gonna try to find the lookout spot because like I can't see anything. So yeah. A bit different than I thought. Well, I made it to the summit. Turns out more of it is under construction than I thought, but damn, look at the view. That's where I came from. You can see downtown Langford, dude. If I go over here, oh, there's Bear Mountain. There's Bear Mountain. There's Langford. I can see some of the cranes I've done. So that's kind of cool. It's Triangle Mountain. In the ocean. That was pretty fun. Just gonna chill up here for a bit. There's no lawn chair. Got some good shots. That's pretty cool. It's so nice up here. I'm just gonna wait for it to get dark. And then I'm gonna leave for the site here. Doesn't seem like they're working at all, so that's good. Look at this thing. Damn, they got crazy looking. Damn, there's a big ass pit. shit. That's fucking crazy. I wonder what they're gonna build up here. It's gonna be crazy. I can come back and it'll be like completely developed probably. It's gonna look like Bear Mountain a bit. Right now it's chill. I just found this chill spot. I'm just gonna wait here until it gets dark. I want to see the city with all the lights on. I think it'll look really cool. Get some shots of the city with all the lights. But kind of overlooks part of the site here. Little quarry it looks like they got going on. You see they're making a road. And then looks like they're making gravel from all that rock. You got rock trucks. This is quite a huge area. It looks like this road's gonna go all the way through, and it's probably gonna connect to the Sooke Highway, I think. And I noticed there's like a weird distribution center for FedEx over there. It's just like in the middle of the site. It's really weird. But yeah, it seems really quiet here, so I think I'm chilling right now. There's a pickup truck I just noticed. It's kind of weird, but yeah. Pretty nice up here. Well, it's been like an hour. It's gotten way darker. I've just been kind of exploring around up here. Now it looks really cool because the lights have all turned on. I can actually see Fairfield way over there. There's like the flashing red lights on the water there. But like that's kind of sick because that's like downtown's like right over there. You can't really see downtown, but I can see like the cruise ship dock and stuff. And then like Port Angeles, you can see the lights over there. Yeah, pretty cool spot. It kind of sucks they're putting buildings up here, but whatever. Okay, so it's pretty dark now. Probably gonna head down. I'm just gonna leave for the construction site because it's very quiet here. I just wanted to wait till it was dark because there's these houses that share the road up here. Like it's part of their driveway, and I do not want to go in front of the houses during the day and then have them see me. So yeah, I'm gonna have to loop around the whole mountain here for this big construction site thing. It's probably gonna be some cool equipment along the way though, so